Balancing personal and promotional content with a calendar can be challenging, but it's absolutely crucial for a successful content strategy. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to create that balance efficiently so you can keep your audience engaged while driving results. Stick around until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using just for viewers of my channel. Let's start by understanding why balance is key. Posting too much promotional content can drive followers away, but only sharing personal content can leave your audience wondering what you're actually offering. The goal is to build a content schedule that includes both, maintaining your personal brand while promoting your business, product, or service in a way that feels natural and engaging. The first thing you need is a content calendar. This is your roadmap, your visual guide to when and what you're posting. Without it, it's easy to either oversaturate your audience with promotions or lose track of the personal touch that builds relationships. So start by defining the type of content you want to post: personal posts, promotional posts, and any educational or informational content that supports your brand. Make sure these fit into your overall messaging strategy. When it comes to planning, aim for a balance between personal and promotional content. A good rule of thumb is the 80-20 rule: 80% personal or value-driven content, 20% promotional. That doesn't mean your personal content has to be all personal stories or behind-the-scenes stuff, but it should be content that provides value, entertainment, or a connection. Think tips, advice, or community-focused content. Once you've defined your content types, it's time to schedule. Using a calendar or scheduling software will help you plan when to post and ensure that you're sticking to your balance. The software we'll be using today makes it super easy to drag and drop your content into a preset calendar view, letting you see at a glance how your content balance is looking. I highly recommend using something like this to save time and stay organized. Now let's talk about timing. The right balance isn't just about the content ratio, but when you post it. Plan your personal posts for times when your audience is most active and use those times for promotions strategically, perhaps when engagement is high or around a product launch. Consistency is important, but flexibility is also key. Use your calendar to plan your content, but leave space for timely or spontaneous personal posts. The flexibility to adjust is one of the reasons why using a tool to help you manage your content can be so beneficial. As I mentioned, if you want to follow along with this tutorial and try out the software, check out the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. This is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway from today: a well-balanced content calendar is crucial for keeping your audience engaged and not overwhelming them with promotions. To find that balance, aim for the 80-20 rule: 80% personal or value-driven content, 20% promotional. Use a content calendar to schedule your posts, stay organized, and allow for flexibility. And don't forget to take advantage of the free trial in the description if you want to try out the software we used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.